Okay guys, good morning and welcome to Job Opportunity Worldwide. So today guys, we will teach you on how to organize your wires. So we purchased one from Shopee. Okay, you will see it later. Alright, so far this is our setup guys. We will make this blue. Wait. Okay.
I'll make this white.
So later on I will show you the video on how we organize these wires here. As you can see.
We show the white.
Okay. Yeah, I'll show you. Alright, so yan guys. So far, this is our home setup. Okay?
Perfect.
So na-finish na natin siya. Okay, yan ang connections. So later on pakita ko sa inyo yung connections na wala pang organizer na yan. Okay? I will put the subscription to the link to the seller below. Alright? So ito yung sa ilalim. Yan. So hindi naman siya makakita dito unless you go down. But if you are looking at here, so na-minimize natin yung wires guys. Na-minimize natin yung wires. So this one is our camera if ever we want to use it. This one is our 4K HDMI cable wire, Ethernet, our USB hub.
And this one.
If you want to connect like our mousepad, our mouse, and our keyboard. Okay? Alright. So this is our MOZA. Okay? And this is the other computer, the old one. So this is our printer, our Epson. So we also placed here a power supply, AVR, audio video regulator, AC regulator for the safety. Ito yung Chrome natin. We have a video for that as well. Hey guys, so thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.
Yes, see here.
Okay, change the color now to blue.
Okay.
Change it to blue. There you go. The other one. This one. Okay.
Wow.
Nice. Bye-bye. Okay, good morning guys.
Wow.
So, dumating na yung order natin na cable organizer.
Wow.
As you can see, yung mga wires natin.
Wow.
Yan.
Wow.
So, we will organize it using this one. Okay?
Wow.
What about me?
Oh.
Okay.
Open.
Don't touch it. Where is the alcohol? Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank you so much for your order. Oh, there's a thank you card. First time that I've ordered guys na mayroong ganito. Na may thank you card.
Perfect.
Ow.
Okay, so we have a small one. Okay. And then we have two small ones. We can use these wires for our internet. And then there's another one, a big one. This is for television wires, TV. Okay. So we will organize our wires this afternoon. Okay. It looks beautiful. Yeah. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. Okay guys, so this is our wires, if not yet arranged. No? So ito na siya guys, yung cable organizer natin. So from modem, yan. So ito pa yung mga wire na i-install natin. No? Yan. So marami pang connections dito. Yan. So we'll arrange this one. Ito yung RGB lights ko natin sa TV natin. later on, pag na-arrange natin yun guys, it will resonate. Okay? So, previously, maraming wire dito. Ngayon, nandito mga 4 na wires. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yung mga wires na yung nakapasok dito. So, ito yung USB hub natin. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching.
Dollhouse.
Okay, welcome to
Dollhouse.
Yay! Okay, so we're done with organizing our wires and connections.
Look the dollhouse.
Look, the dollhouse. Okay, can you show us the color? Wow!
Perfect.
So we have pink, red, green, and blue.
What about this one?
Okay, we will add later.
Yay.
Yay! Okay, say something about your dollhouse.
Special.
What?
It's special.
Special. What else? What do you like about your dollhouse? Subscribe, okay? What do you like about your dollhouse? Peace. Say something about your dollhouse. Is it beautiful? Yes. What else? What do you want with your dollhouse? Go. Say something. Do you like it? Yes? Okay, goodbye na. Okay, bye-bye guys. Thank you for watching na. Go.
Thank you for watching the video.
Look at the camera.
Look at the camera. Subscribe.
Yeah, bye-bye.